what's your position then on that request?
I said that the will of the people must be respected, and we must live to the oath of our office. To me, that then were things that you don't expect, and that's why I said this then were attempts to subvert the will of the people.
So you are saying a commissioner wanted to subvert? That's what you're saying?
That's it. That's exactly what it is.
Right.
Yes.
In the other issue, what was the other request?
Force a runoff.
By who?
If the presidential candidate for Azimio doesn't win, then a runoff should be forced. That was Honorable Raphael Tuju.
What was the position of, I'm very specific, Commissioner Irene Masit on that request?
She said we should consider the remarks of both Senator Wako and the Honorable Raphael Tuju.
What do you mean, expound as a lawyer?
Consider means think of agreeing, think of a way of assisting.
Get of a way of assisting.
Yes, something like that.
Now, did the Constitution allow that?
Absolutely not.
So one of your commissioners was doing what?
Sorry?
So what you're saying, one of your commissioners was what? Was permitting, or was agreeing with an attempt to subvert or violate the Constitution on that runoff issue?
That's what it appeared to be.
All right. Now, then, at what point did you leave? Okay.